Hello friends, in this video we are going to study about the assignment operator and compound assignment operator. First of all, we will study about assignment operator. In a simple word, assignment operator are used to assign the value to the variable. If we write like this in A, the meaning of this statement is we are declaring one integer variable A, and when this statement will execute, one memory block will be occupied in our memory and the name of this memory block will be A. Right now A don't have any value. If we write A equal to 10, the meaning of this statement is we assign 10 to A. So 10 will be stored here. So the new value of A is assigned 10. And this statement is called assignment. And this equal to sign is called assignment operator. So this is the assignment operator by using which we can assign a value to the variable. So come to the next, compound assignment operator. What do you mean by compound? Compound means combination of two or more things, and the compound assignment operator means combination of assignment operator plus other operator. These are the examples of compound assignment operator. First is a addition assignment operator, next is a subtraction assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, division assignment operator, modulus assignment operator, bitwise AND assignment operator, bitwise OR assignment operator, bitwise exclusive OR assignment operator, etc. These are the some examples of compound assignment operator. In every operator you can see there is a assignment operator. There is a assignment operator. Assignment operator, assignment operator, assignment operator, assignment operator. In every operator there is a assignment operator. Means in a compound assignment operator must be present plus other operators can be present. Must, okay. And this is a combination of assignment operator plus arithmetic operator. Plus is a arithmetic operator. Minus is a arithmetic operator. Multiply is a arithmetic operator. Divide is a arithmetic operator. And similarly, it is a bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator. So this is a other operators, and equal to is a assignment operator. So it is clear that compound assignment operator is a combination of assignment operator plus other operator. And we can easily understand the concept of compound assignment operator by using a simple program. Suppose this is our simple program. Here we are declared one variable A, integer variable A. In a next line we are assigned 20 to A. It is called assignment. This statement is called assignment or initialization. You can also say that initialization. So here we are initializing value of A by 20. So value of A is 20. Now suppose if you want to add 5 in the value of A. If we want to add 5 in the value of A, so how we can do it? By using addition assignment operator. So in a new line we are using addition assignment operator. A plus equal to 5. The meaning of this statement is we want to 5 in A. So the new value will be 25. We can also rewrite this statement like this. A equal to A plus 5. Here both statements are equal and both statements are same. Here we are adding 5 in a value of A. Value of A is 20 plus 5. New value will be 25. So 25 will be stored here. So the new value of A will be 25. So this statement is adding 5 in A. And in a next line we are just printing value of A. So value of A is 25. So it will be our output. Suppose we want to subtract 5 in A. So how we can do it? By using subtraction assignment operator. We write like this: A minus equal to 5. The meaning of this statement is we want to minus 5 in A. Value of A is 20 and we minus 5 in a 20, the result will be 15. We can also rewrite this statement like this: A minus 5. Okay, so if we solve this, 20 minus 5, new value will be 50. So it will be print 50. Here both statements are same or equal. You can use any statement. Okay, then suppose you want to multiply 5 in A. So how you can do it? By using multiplication assignment operator, and we can rewrite this statement like this. Okay, both statements are equal. Value of A is 20 and multiply 5, new value will be 100 and 100 will be stored again in A. So the new value of A is 100. It will print 100. Similarly, if you want to divide 5, okay, so how you can do it? By using division assignment operator, and we can rewrite this statement like this. Okay, value of A is 20, we divide by 5, so new value will be 4. So the new value of A will be 4. So it will print 4. So in the same way you can use other operators, and this is a simple use of compound assignment operators. And if you need more videos related to computer science and information technology, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button for latest notification. Thank you.